In today's walkthrough, we will show you master data management through workflow automation with a real-world example using the NPI registry. Master data is maintained and managed by CMS for every healthcare provider and organizations in the US. This is the NPI registry website. CMS releases a weekly file containing updates to the NPI master data, which can be fetched and downloaded from the website. Next, we have a workflow automation. I am using the NPI registry as an example to automate data management. First, I created a weekly scheduler that every Monday at 1 a.m. So, here in the next step, we are retrieving the weekly file link from the NPI registry website from the official web page. Next, we extract the file URL and the file name from the website. In the next step, we extract the CSV file from the downloaded zip file. Next, we loop through each extracted CSV file to prepare them for analysis and categorization. The downloaded file contains 3 types of provider records: newly assigned NPIs for new providers, updated to existing NPIs, and deactivated NPIs. After that, we categorize the data into new, updated, and deactivation NPI records. Then we check the file size. If it is greater than 0, we upload those files to Google Drive. After that, we have approval and disapproval steps to review the uploaded files. So now, let us run the flow and see how it works. As explained earlier, the steps are now executing in the same sequence. We are retrieving the weekly file link from the NPI registry website. Then retrieving the CSV file from the downloaded zip. After that, we categorize the data into new, updated, and deactivation NPI records. Once done, the files are uploaded to Google Drive, and a notification is sent to authorized team for review. Now the team receive an email with the Google Drive link and 2 options: approve or reject. They can also click the Drive link to review the categorized files and review the data before making a decision. Now let us open the files and check the database to verify whether those records have been inserted into the table. And as we can see, the data has not been inserted into the database. Now in the flow, we can see that it is currently waiting for the approval response. In this case, the authorized person is going to approve the files. And now the flow proceeds to the next step for handling the approval process. Now the approval process flow has started executing. In the second step, it retrieves the list of files from the Google Drive. Next, it will read the file. After that, the files are inserted into the master table. After successful insertion, finally we receive a confirmation mail. And then the temporary files are deleted from the Google Drive. Once the records are successfully inserted into the database, we can also see how many records were inserted into the database from the insert step. Now let us check the database to verify whether the records have been successfully inserted. Yes, now it's inserted. Now let us look at the rejection scenario. When we click the reject button, the rejection flow will start executing. This flow will delete the files from the Google Drive only. With this end-to-end master data management through workflow automation, team have achieved a 70% decrease in overall processing time per weekly cycle, an average of 350,000 to 400,000 records successfully inserted into the master database each week, 0 data loss or duplication, instant notification and approval workflows, reducing turnaround time from 1 to 2 business days to just minutes. Through workflow automation, what once required multiple resources and constant monitoring is now auditable, efficient, and scalable process, freeing up valuable time to focus on higher value work.